Changing your subscription plan on IBM Cloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully update your plan. Step 1. Log into IBM Cloud. Visit the IBM Cloud website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to change your subscription plan. Step 2. Access the Billing and Usage section. Once logged in, navigate to the Billing and Usage section from the main dashboard. This area contains all the information related to your current subscription and billing details. Step 3. Review current subscription. In the Billing and Usage section, find and review your current subscription plan. Take note of the features and pricing, as this will help you decide which new plan suits your needs. Step 4. Select a new subscription plan. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm the changes. Review any terms and conditions and finalize the update. You should receive a confirmation notification once the change is successful. By following these steps, you can easily change your subscription plan on IBM Cloud. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to IBM Cloud support for assistance.